Nguyen, Admissions Director here at Butler Montessori, and I would like to give you an overview of our application process. You've probably been looking at our website and you've seen all our videos on YouTube and you're like, what's the next step? How do I learn more about this school? The first thing you want to do is schedule a virtual tour. And we have lovely tour guides who will give you information about our school, explain our programs, give you an overview of the Montessori philosophy, show you pictures and videos of children at our school and our campus. And once you do that, and you feel like, hey, this might be the school I want my children to go to, then the next step would be to submit an application. Once I get that application, once it's processed, I'll reach out to you and set up an admissions interview where you'll meet either the head of school, the associate head, or another senior staff member of school, just to learn more about our school, learn more about the Montessori philosophy. You can ask any questions, and it's a chance for us to really get to know you and your family, what your goals are for your children, what are your priorities, what are your concerns, what are you looking for in a school, so that we can both make sure that this is the best place for your children and for your family. And from there, depending on your child's age, there might be a student visit as well. For the really young children, we typically have them come and spend maybe an outside time, like recess, with their class, and then they go home. For older children, like elementary age children, we typically like for them to visit the entire day. They'll get some lessons from their guides, they'll meet new peers, they'll get to explore our campus, and this is a time for your children to explore our campus and get to know our school and think about, hey, is this a school I would like to be at? And it also gives the guides an idea of what your child's interests are and how we might be able to support them if and when they come. And then I would say the next step after that is contract stuff, all that boring contract stuff, and there is a deposit that you'll have to submit when you sign your contract, and then you start school. And I will be there with you all the steps all along the way, and you can ask me any questions that you have. I'm always here to help.